So guys, I'm going to start off with this really simple, easy pot roast recipe. Perfect for fall, winter, you name it, all year round, honestly. So I'm going to leave the ingredients that I'm using down below in the description box, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients, all the seasonings after this particular clip. So what I'm doing, I ran out of meat broth, so I am just creating my own basically. So I'm using 1 cup of water and some seasoning and honey, of course, and then I'll be adding these to the beef. Of course, I have cleaned my beef, and now I'm about to season it with those seasoning and then add it to the pot. If you want, guys, I specifically did this because I wanted to, after having dinner tonight, I wanted to use leftover beef to make a casserole. So I didn't add any, I'm not going to add any carrots or such to it, but you can definitely add carrots, you can add potatoes, you name it, whatever you want to add to it, you can, if you want to eat just the beef as a one pot meal. All right, so yeah, be sure to stick around, guys, and watch till the end. I'm going to be doing a sweet potato beef casserole with the leftover beef, so you're going to definitely want to stick around for that. I also forgot to mention that I cooked this on low for 4 hours, and it comes out perfect. So guys, here I am unboxing my new casserole dish from Love Casa. I want to thank them for sending me this product. As you can see later on in the video, I'm going to be using it, and I must say I absolutely love how easy it is to clean. I love how deep it is. I love the material. I love the quality. I love how easy it is to use. It is so deep, guys, so deep. It's a 4.5 quarts. I love the fact that it has an easy grip, non-slip, it's non-toxic, perfect for the entire family. You can do so much with this. You can literally bake a whole chicken in it. You can do pot roast, chicken roast. You can make lasagnas, casseroles, bake, whatever you name it, and it comes with a cover, so you can literally use it to store you can use it to store your food. So you can take it from the oven and put it in the refrigerator. It also it can withstand heat for up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, not open flame, so guys, so you can use it in the microwave and the oven. So guys, I forgot to mention that the material is made from premium ceramic. So the material is lead free and non-toxic. It has a smooth glaze, so it's scratch resistant. I forgot also to mention that it's dishwasher safe, guys, so you can literally put it in the dishwasher. But you'll see that I was able to clean this by hand, and it, as I said before, it was super easy to clean. So now I'm going to just go ahead and start my casserole dish with my leftover potatoes. So guys, for this casserole dish, legit all you need is 3 ingredients: just the potatoes, the beef from the night before, and cheese. That's it. Of course, you can add butter and milk to the potato, but it came out perfect without it for me. I just really didn't want the extra stuff, plus I was eating unhealthy before, so I really didn't want a ton of plus the milk and stuff to flare up my eczema, so I opted to leave it out. Plus this tasted absolutely amazing without the milk and cheese. So legit all you need is just 3 ingredients and you have a whole new meal for the next day. That's it. So I baked this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, you have to preheat the oven first, and then I believe I baked it for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. That's it, guys, and it tasted so delicious. Like, I'm not even exaggerating.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So guys, if you're new here, then you don't know that I'm obsessed with food. I love food, so I did not wait for this to cool. I literally took it out of the oven and dived into it. So it was hot, but it tasted so good. The entire family enjoyed it that night. We had a blast, and I'll definitely be making it more. I love that you can store the food in this container in the refrigerator, and the cleaning up process is so easy. Definitely recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description box to the product. You can check them out on Amazon. It comes in I believe 2 colors or more, but tons of options to choose from, and it's super easy to clean.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and
thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, if you want to see me do more videos like this, please do leave a comment down below. I'm talking about cook and clean with me, because I love cooking and I really do miss doing it. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next one. Have a lovely day, y'all.